Hey guys, 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠, your chairman affiliate with Liberium Crypto. I'm giving you a quick update coming from the countryside here in Vietnam. I'm in Bac Ninh province. Some of you who watched some of my videos before from the past, I've shot videos here before. I'm actually in a pagoda, a family pagoda that's more than 100 years old. Yes, more than 100 years old. Look, you'll see a little bit here. Just sitting over to the side where we would normally have tea. But yeah, more than 100 years old, this pagoda. The reason I want to give you a little update is to let you know I've been checking in, see if we're going to continue to hit our hard date of Tuesday for the official launch, no later than Tuesday, right? Could happen over the weekend, but it's Saturday. Nothing has happened yet. So I'm constantly finding out where we are in the process. I'm calling like you wouldn't believe. Just, I don't want to be a burden, but at the same time, hey, how we doing? I'm on top of it, just so that you know I'm on top of it. But I'm excited. So far, no hiccups. Tuesday looks good at the latest. But I want to make you aware, before you select your package, I want to make you aware of some things that we're going to do as a company that may want to help you make that decision. We're talking about the trade token package that lets you know how many trade tokens that you have for your personal trades. We are a marketing business as well, and we're looking to grow our customer base, but we're going to allow everyday ordinary people to share their user experience. That's why those of you who are coming on board early, you're like the test market, so to speak, not the test of the trader's performance, but just making sure the software function as advertised. You could try it for free, right? And then select your package. But here's what we're going to do, okay? We have a track record in what we're doing. We know that we can do what we're doing and we can do it well, all right? Know that for sure. Even though I'm in Vietnam, our IT department is not in Vietnam. They're in North America, okay? So now, just want to put that out there because some of you may be thinking, well, he's in the countryside of Vietnam. Is that where the IT team is? I want to make that real clear, okay? They are not here. They're in North America. Which is why, in some occasions, you find out things before me because I'm asleep when you guys are awake, those of you in North America. Okay, so here's why you want to think before you select your trade token package. Number one, the way we're going to market is we're going to allow you, the user, to market your business. Some of you may be aware we've got a free online marketing site that's optional. That's right, it's optional. You don't have to have it, but if you want it, hey, it's great. There are some leaders that already have their own marketing system. That's great. There are some leaders, they don't want a marketing system. That's great. This is all about having options, right? So understand that when you select your trade token package and you are marketing your business and you have someone that want to enroll with you or someone you want to enroll with you as a customer, we're going to give you the ability to send them free trade tokens. I won't say free because you would have paid for them, but as a way to market and grow your business, you can give them 5 tokens, 10 tokens, 20 tokens, however many tokens you want that you think they need to kind of have that experience to make a decision if they want to be a part of Liberium Crypto or not. We're going to put that in your hands. You'll be able to send your directs trade tokens that you purchase, which is why, remember, I'm an affiliate no different than you. I'm making what? The Liberium Crypto package. I'm purchasing that package. Why? It gives me 1,000 trade tokens so I can market the business for people that want to test it out. Here, let me give you some tokens. Test it out and see if it works for you. You can do the same. We're going to put that power in your hands. That's not going to launch right away, but it will be immediately after we launch that we're going to start implementing that service for you as an affiliate. So you may want to think about what trade token package you want for your business. Do you plan on marketing the business? Some of you are just looking for passive income, and that's great. We're going to give you that opportunity. But for those who say, man, Liberium Crypto is paying Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, and a lot of it, immediately directly to the wallet of my choice, and I like my results, why not share? And we're going to give you that power to do so. So I wanted to give you that update. So far, things looking great. Again, here's another little peek at 100-year family pagoda. Everyone here in the countryside, close by here, comes to this pagoda. If you remember, pro trader 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 father passed away last year. And of course, we were here quite often. And now it's his picture that hangs on the wall of this pagoda with his father, his mother, his grandfather, his great-grandfather. So, custom tradition here. Liberium Crypto, onward and upward. And this will be next level. Thank you, guys.